Sometimes we would require to insert a new row in the document. I am going to show you how to do that. This is my document. Here I would like to insert a new row in between second and third rows. So I am selecting third row. Click on mouse right button. Choose insert command from appeared menu. New blank row is created above the selected row. I am typing the new student name and his marks here. Here I am going to show you another way to insert the new row. Select the row to which above you want to insert a new row and then click on insert icon. Now new blank row is ready to take the data. We have seen how to insert a row. Now we are going to see how to insert a new column in Excel document. This is my Excel document. Here I would like to insert a new column in between science and social columns. So I selected social column. Click on mouse right button. Choose insert command from appeared menu. New column added in between science and social column. Now you can enter the data as you wish. Here I am entering GK subject and its marks. Now I am going to show you another way to insert a new column in your Excel document. Select the column to which before you want to add a new column and then click on insert command on menu. See the new column added. Now you can enter the data as you wish. Here I am adding drawing subject and its mark. Let us learn about undo and redo command. Undo command allows to undo recent actions in a worksheet. For example, you deleted a column. In case you want to get it back, then you can use undo command. You can use the undo command from the quick access toolbar or press Ctrl key and click on Z. For each click, it does undo one previous action. See, here all previous actions are cancelling by using undo command, that is Ctrl Z. In case you want to cancel the undo, then what do? Use redo command. Redo command cancel the undo command action. You can use redo command from quick access toolbar or press Ctrl key and click on Y. For each click, one undo action cancelled. See here, previous undo actions are being cancelled. Already we have seen how to insert new row or column in the spreadsheet. Now let us see, after creating blank row, how to copy the data to it. Select the row to which above you want to insert a new row. Click on mouse right button and choose insert command from the appeared menu. Blank row created. Now I am going to copy the 8th row text in it. So select the row, click on mouse right button and choose copy command from the appeared menu. Now the row copied and ready to paste. Select the row to paste. Click on mouse right button. Choose paste command from the appeared menu. See the 8th row data copied to 4th row. Now you can do some modifications to it. We have seen how to copy the rows data. Now I am going to show you how to copy the columns data. Select the column and click on mouse right button. Choose copy command from the menu. Select the column to paste. Click on mouse right button and choose paste command from the appeared menu. See, now the column appeared with the data. So you can do necessary modifications here. This is your Excel sheet. In case it is required to hide some rows or columns temporarily, how do you do it? Excel facilitates to hide rows and columns. Let us see how it is. Select the row or rows which you want to hide. Click on Format command in Home tab. Then pop-up menu appear. Here you can find the option Hide and Unhide. Click it. Then choose Hide Rows option in submenu. Click it. See, the selected rows were in hidden mode. Similarly, you can hide the column also. Select the column to hide. And then click on Format command on menu bar. Go to Hide and Unhide option. Then choose Hide columns in the submenu. See your Excel sheet. The selected column was hidden. Like this, you can hide rows or columns. Now, let us see how to unhide the columns or rows. Again, go to Format command on menu bar. Go to Hide and Unhide option from the appeared menu. Click it. Then choose Unhide columns from the submenu. All the hidden columns of this Excel sheet appeared. You can observe this now. This time I would like to unhide all the hidden rows. Choose Unhide Rows option and then click it. See, all the hidden rows appear now.